I want to be one with nature. So let's go outside. Talk.
Hey, Maury. Oh, wait, Basil, what? Hey, Maury. Amori, don't stop Basil! Amori, how dare you hurt the Basil!
Depression noises.
The flowers that survived. There are weeds. No, they aren't. They're flowers. They're even flowers. They're plants. You sure? Well, the seeds in it, so it counts as a plant. It's seeds. Weeds. Weeds.
Actually, yes.
What? I found the flower boy with the depressing boy. Flower boy, depresso. Flower, depresso. Flower, depresso. Depresso, depresso. Flower boy, depresso. It's green, like me. Stick. Wow, can you round it up? Roundy. Yay.